Welcome to my channel Veg Delight. Today we are gonna make crispy chili baby corn. So let's get started. In a bowl, add around 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, also known as maida. Now I'm going to add around 8 tablespoons of cornflour powder. Cornflour powder makes any dish crispier. Now mix these dry ingredients together. Add water in small quantity because we need thicker consistency. This consistency is just exactly to the idli batter. To this I am going to add 1 cup of raw baby corn. Make sure you don't boil nor blanch these baby corns, otherwise it won't be much crispier. Coat these baby corns well. Once you have coated these baby corns well, we need to allow them to sit for 2 hours. These get crumbled. Add a pinch of soda to this and mix it well. Now these are ready to fry. Once the oil is hot, these baby corns need to get deep fried. Add them in small quantities. Fry them on a medium flame for a minute and then switch on to high flame. Fry them until golden brown. Baby corn is now deep fried and are golden brown in color. Let's make gravy for this. In a hot pan, add around 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in 1.5 cup of chopped onion. Fry this well. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic paste. Mix well. Now let's add 1 cup of chopped capsicum. Fry this well with other ingredients. Now let's add some spices to this. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle some mixed herbs. Some oregano. And some chili flakes to this. Now mix this all well. Add some salt according to taste. And half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. To this I am going to add around 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And fry it well. Now let's add 1/4 cup of cornflour and water paste. Mix it well. Our gravy starts to become thicker. Cook it on a medium flame. Let's add some water to this. You can also add some Szechuan sauce to this if you want to make it very spicy. Gravy is all ready for crispy chili baby corn. And now we can drop in a deep fried crispy chili baby corn to the gravy and mix it well. Make sure all our baby corns are coated well with the gravy so that it brings out the real flavors. Serve this hot and garnish this with spring onion greens. Enjoy the dish. For more interesting videos, subscribe.